Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code 0x80070241 in Windows computer. So this error primarily occurs while installing a cumulative feature update and may abruptly stop the process. And the general causes of this error include corrupted or incomplete Windows update files, malfunctioning, or missing system files. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings and then click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update. And on right side, then you can see here this run and then click, and pop-ups this Windows Update detecting problems. So here we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, and this is the result that we have problems found the Windows Update issues. So there's one still not yet fixed. So if this issues is already fixed, then click yes, but if not, and then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues, and then you need to follow also the screen instructions to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows Update troubleshooters, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space slash scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verification 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just copy this command keyword dsym space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So use keyboard shortcut control plus C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here, use keyboard shortcut control plus B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore versions completed successfully. And then we need to close this CMD, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code 0x80070241 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.